Designers, if you want to create car poster that look like this, in this quick Canva tutorial, I will show you a step by step how I designed this stunning poster using just Canva. So let's get it started. So right now I'm in Canva homepage. So first thing we will select the page. So I'm selecting Instagram page, portrait size that is 1080 into 1350. So I have selected the page now. In the page number 2, I have added all the PNG images which I'm gonna use in this design. So we are having the logo, we are having this image of the car for background, and we are having this main image of the car. And here also we are having few other PNG images related to that car. Okay, so this car is different and this background car is different, and I have received a lot of comment in my Instagram reel about that. Make sure you use the same car whenever you are designing, but for the tutorial purpose I am using this different car. Okay, so let's start the designing. So first we will bring this car to use in the background. So just right click and select set image as background. Now this is our background. You can make the adjustment later, but for now it's totally fine. So we are done with the background. Next I will go to elements and select the shape. Okay, so I am selecting the shape over here like this. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna use this shape to create a gradient. Okay, because I just wanna cover this part of the car little bit. Okay, so I will go to colors and I will go to plus. Here I am gonna select the pick a color option, and let's pick the color from the car only. Okay, so let's pick this color. Okay, next we will go to gradient, and in gradient for the second color also I'm gonna select the same first color. So pick, go over here, select the color, but this time we are going to decrease the transparency to 0. So you can see we have created the gradient, but we will have to rotate it like this, and let's bring it to the bottom and adjust the size of it like this. Okay, let's keep it to this point for now. Later on we can adjust everything. Okay, so we are using only one gradient, but as you can see we are not able to cover that much. So if you want more, you can simply select the same gradient and Command D or Control D for Windows and duplicate and bring it on the same position. Okay, then you can select both of them together like this and group. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to move. If you want to undo, just press Command Z or Control Z, it will be back. Okay, so this is done. Anytime you want to multiply anything, duplicate that one and it will be like this, but right now I am just keeping it like this. Okay, so that part is done. Next, what we will do for the next process, I am gonna select the shape again, but here I am gonna change the color of that shape. So go to color, let's select the little bit of gray color, lighter gray. Okay, and we are going to change the angle of that shape. So I am keeping it around 15 now. Okay, so always remember the angle of the shape whatever you are going to change in your design, because if you are gonna use the another shape and you are going to change the angle, so it will create the balance in your design if you are going to use the angle with the same numbers. Okay, so let's keep it to 15 right now. And here what I will do, let me show you the right way. Let's zoom so that you can see it exactly. So I'm bringing this shape over here this side, and I'm starting from that corner like this. Okay, then here I'm gonna increase the size of it like this till this point, and you have to check that it is covering the corners or not. So here it is not covering the corners, so we will increase the size of that shape so that it will cover that one. Okay, so everything is covered on the left side. Next we will duplicate this shape and bring it on this side. Let's keep it over here. Okay, and we will cover these corners and this part of the poster also. Okay, so right now it is done. So anytime you want to make the changes in the position of that car behind, so you can just select, double click and increase the size of it. You can bring it on this side, okay, like this, like this. Let's keep it like this for right now. Next, what we will do, we will bring our logo. So this is our logo. I am bringing the logo over here. Okay, so this will be the center, as whenever you're moving your design in your poster, Canva will automatically show you the center line like this. Otherwise you can use the grid to manage everything. Okay, but here I'm not gonna use this text because it is not looking good. So we will do one thing, we will just do like this to hide that one. Okay, but as you can see, we are having this, so we can bring that one to use over there. Okay, so let's bring that one and let's group that one with that logo. Okay, so let's keep it like this and let's decrease the size of it and adjust it wherever you want to add in your design. So let's keep it over here for now, and this one we will bring over here and we will decrease the size of it little bit, not that much. And this is the advantage of using not the same, because this is different, this is different, so we can play with the size. Okay, so let's keep it around here for now. Okay, we will play with the color of that text after some time so that it will match with the poster. Okay, but for now let's keep it like that. Next, what we will do, we will bring our main image, and that is our car image. So let's bring it like this, and you can increase the size a little bit like this, and you can bring it on the center from left to right like this. Okay, so that is done. Next, you can adjust everything like this if you want. Okay, I think it's good. Next, this is done. Next, what we will do, we are having one more PNG image over here, so we will bring it over here like this, and this time I am just duplicating it and we will bring it over here like this. We will decrease the size of it. So right now I am keeping it around over here. Okay, here also I am gonna change the color of it so that it will match the poster, but we will do it at the last. Let's fix everything for now. Okay, we can bring that car image little bit over here, bottom part. You can adjust this car image also like this, and for this PNG we are going to rotate like this 90 degree, and we are going to increase the size of it like this. Okay, so we are going to use this over here. Okay, you can increase more if you want, and let's keep it over here. Okay, like this. So for this PNG image, I'm gonna select that one and decrease the transparency of this. Okay, so let's keep it around 35 or 30. Okay, let's keep it 35. So that part is done. Next, what we have to do, we have to write the text over here. Okay, so to write the text, we will go to text, and here I am just selecting one font, but I am gonna change the font from here. Just go and write Lucidity. So I am selecting this second font, that is Lucidity Expand. Okay, and we have selected the font, so we will start writing our text. So I have written the text about the car over here, so we will bring that over here. Okay, like this, and we will keep it over here like this. Okay, so this part is also done. So our design is almost done. so we don't need the page number 2, so let's delete that one first. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the color of this text of that logo. So for that we will go over here, go to edit. In edit we will go to due tone, and in due tone I will select the custom, and for the second color, that is dark one, we will select the color from here. Okay, but this time I'm gonna use little bit darker shade of it like this. So let's keep it like this. Okay, so we will just copy this color code, Control C. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same like due tone, then custom, then for second color I'm gonna paste that color code over here. Okay, so you can see we have changed the color of this one also and this also. Okay, so like that you can change the color of it. So right now our poster is completely done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. More Canva design tutorials are on the way, so stay tuned and keep learning, keep growing.